In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can export from Fusion 2D drawings and 3D models. So first of all, I'm going to use a drawing that I have. And if you're interested, there is a Fusion video course in the channel with all the lessons to go from designing, projecting, creating 2D, 3D models, and then exporting. So this is the drawing here that I prepared. So all you need to do is have a 2D drawing, and then you will go on the top right corner there and click on export, and you can choose DWG if you have AutoCAD, but in this case I'm going to go for DXF because it's a more versatile format. So I'm just going to use the format DXF. I'm going to type a name and I'm going to save it into a folder that I already prepared called DXF, and just gonna save. That's really easy to do, and this concludes the exporting part. So save. Now for the import, this is Librecad right here. It's free and open source 2D software. So I'm gonna go and import, navigate into the folder where I just saved the DXF format file and selected open it up, and that's it. So it's really quick and easy to do. And now I can work in Librecad if I want. And you can see also I've imported not only vector graphics, but also raster image like this one here. So, and everything looks fine and well balanced. Now let's go in FreeCAD. Now I'm going to use the 2D draft workbench so that I can import directly the 2D really easily. So I'm going to go to File there, and well, we have other possibilities, but the quickest way, the simplest way is this: File, Import, again, DXF, select the format, open it up. And now FreeCAD is going to give you a bunch of options, which are kind of overwhelming in a way, but you can see this is DXF options. You can choose to import text or other stuff from the original file. You can, just have a look here to the various options. Use colors from the DXF or not, or use the colors in FreeCAD. Hit OK, just wait a few seconds depending on the size of your file, and it should pop up. And there we go. There's a bit of a mess of texts and dimensions, but we can fix this directly in FreeCAD, or we can try to change the import. I'm just going to go on the top left there and just turn off some of the layers of this CAD file so we can see better. I'm just going to leave like the basic, there you go, drawings. We can see everything is there. So I can definitely now continue and work on FreeCAD. And lastly, I'm going to show you also how you can export a 3D model and import it in FreeCAD, which again is a free and open source like Librecad 3D and 2D softwares that you can definitely use to do your 2D drawings and 3D models. Okay, I'm gonna pick STL because that's for printing, and it's, in my opinion, the more versatile when you wanna work with 3D. So I'm gonna save it. Again, this time I'm gonna create a folder, which I already have. So just save it in a folder and export. So now we exported a 3D model from Fusion. And you can definitely use FreeCAD in alternative to Fusion, which is, again, free and open source. Fusion also has like free versions, etc., but FreeCAD is totally free. So I'm going to go here, change the workspace from draft to part, design, and import, and just select the folder we just created and the file we just exported, open it up, and there you go. Really easy, really quick. It's a little bit small right there. It's smaller than the drawings though, but you can also scale it, change it, work on that now in FreeCAD. And that's it. So this is going to be the end of this video guide. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more video guides. If you want to thank us, support us, join the channel as a supporter, check our other video courses, video guides, and all the content that we publish every day. And see you in the next video guide.